OPPO A31 comes with a 3D ergonomic one-body design that gives it a slim look. It is available in mystery black, fantasy white and lake green color on 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. OPPO A31 is available in two variants to choose from: 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage internal memory for a smooth and efficient performance. The memory is expandable up to 256GB in both variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. OPPO A31 features a 6.5-inch nano waterdrop HD Plus display with 89% screen-to-body ratio that gives you a completely uninterrupted screen experience. With 1600 by 720 pixels resolution and 269 ppi pixel density, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. Additionally, it also filters out harmful blue light to prevent eye fatigue. The phone comes with a rear fingerprint scanner, allowing you to unlock your phone quickly and securely. OPPO A31 comes with a 12-megapixel AI triple rear camera with macro lens and depth camera. It features portrait, bokeh and dazzle color mode. It also features an 8-megapixel front and AI beautification camera that helps click more natural-looking selfies. Powered by Android Pie v9.0 based on ColorOS 6.1 operating system with 2.3 GHz Mediatek octa core processor. This phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone comes with a 4230 mAh battery providing talk time of up to 45 hours and standby time of up to 450 hours. The box includes handset, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, booklet with warranty card and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.